Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into Georgian Khinkali, the famous soup dumplings with a juicy, flavorful broth inside. I'll show you what makes them special and how to enjoy them the authentic Georgian way. The first time you bite into Georgian Khinkali, there's a small surprise waiting. Hot, peppery broth rushes out like a tiny soup course hidden inside a dumpling. It's messy in the best way, and it's also why Khinkali has a reputation. These aren't just dumplings. In this guide, you'll learn what Khinkali are, what makes them taste so different, and how to eat them the Georgian way without losing the broth. If you want to cook, you'll also get a simple plan for making Khinkali at home, plus tips for buying good ones when you'd rather skip the rolling pin. What Georgian Khinkali are, and why they taste so different. Khinkali, sometimes spelled Khinkali, are Georgia's famous soup dumplings, built for one job. Hold a juicy filling and a pocket of broth until the moment you take the first bite. They're usually larger than many other dumplings, about the size of a small fist, and they feel hearty enough to be a full meal. The shape is part of the magic. Khinkali are hand-pleated into a round bundle with a twisted top, often called the knot. That knot acts like a handle while you eat, and it also helps seal the dumpling so the liquid stays inside. A well-made Khinkali has tight pleats, a smooth belly, and enough space inside for broth to form during cooking. The dough is another big difference. It tends to be thicker and chewier than thin-skinned soup dumplings, because it has to survive boiling while protecting the broth. When you pick one up, it should feel sturdy, not fragile. Khinkali are strongly tied to Georgia's mountain regions, where filling, warming food makes sense. In cities, you'll also find slightly different styles, like smaller dumplings, more delicate pleats, or creative fillings. Still, the core idea stays the same. A dumpling that eats like a bite of stew. Classic Khinkali fillings, meat, herbs, spices, and the roll of broth. The default Khinkali filling is usually a mix of ground pork and beef, with finely chopped onion, salt, and lots of black pepper. Some cooks add cilantro, and some don't. If you love cilantro, it can taste bright and fresh. If you don't, you can skip it and still have very traditional flavor. Pepper-forward seasoning is common because Khinkali are meant to be bold even without sauce. The broth carries the spice, so that first sip tastes like a warm, peppery meat stock. How does the broth get in there? Added liquids such as water or stock stirred into the meat. Melting fat as the dumplings cook, turning into liquid and enriching the juices. Steam and juices trapped by the sealed wrapper so the filling stays wet. You'll also see popular variations. Lamb Khinkali that are richer and a little stronger in flavor. Mushroom Khinkali that are earthy, softer inside, and less soupy than meat. Potato Khinkali that are dense and comforting, often more like mashed potato and dough. Cheese Khinkali that are gooey when hot and closer to a dumpling stuffed grilled cheese feeling. Meat versions usually have the most broth. Vegetarian fillings can be great, but they often trade the soup burst for a creamy or tender texture. Khinkali versus other dumplings, mandu, pelmeni, xiaolongbao. You don't need a dumpling PhD to spot the differences. A few bites will tell you plenty. Khinkali versus xiaolongbao. Both can be soupy, but Khinkali are bigger with thicker dough and a hand-twisted top. Xiaolongbao are usually thinner and more delicate, and the soup comes from melted gelatin. Khinkali broth often comes from added water or stock plus rendered fat. That's it for part 1. You've learned what Khinkali are, why they taste so unique, and the proper way to eat them without spilling the soup. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll make them at home step by step. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.